We drove through Plymouth and then through Yelverton and then up to Burrator Reservoir. And when we got here, we saw some Highland cows and then we got ready to go on our walk. We found somewhere sheltered to have our lunch, and I had wraps that had salad in, because I quite like a salad wrap. And then we finished off our lunch, and then we got back on with our little adventure around the reservoir. We got to this little fence and then we thought we needed to cross over it and climb over it to get to the other side so we could continue our walk. But after we climbed over this, we found out that there was actually a gate at the top of it, so we didn't all actually have to climb over this little fence and look a bit silly. But it felt like quite a fun adventure, so we enjoyed it. We came across this place that's called Longstone Manor, and we decided that we would have a little look inside. I don't know if you're supposed to go in here, but if we were interested to see what it looked like inside, so we climbed over the fence and then walked around the ground. We were walking along here looking for your geocache, and then I saw over the edge that there was a wallet lying down on the ground, and it sort of looked like a sort of shrine, and we were thinking, I wonder why there's a wallet down there. So we climbed down over this sort of bank of rocks and stuff and some sand and soil. I'm not sure you're supposed to really go along here, but we climbed along here. That seems to be a bit of a theme today. And we climbed along here, and as we got towards the end, we were able to see that there was a wallet there, and it did have a driving license and bank card and stuff in. So we managed to find the person via social media, contact them, and we managed to get their wallet returned to them, which was good because, you never know, if you could find this person. We were going to take it to the police, but the police station was closed, so that's why we looked on social media for them and managed to get it to them. So here's the wallet. I decided to climb up the bank up past to the top of the waterfall, which you'll see in a second, and I had to slide back down on my feet so I didn't get wet. I'm at the top of the waterfall! During our walk along here, we managed to cross quite a few different little rivers. Then we came across this one. I thought, oh no, this one's a bit stronger. Don't know if we'll make it across, but what we didn't realise was what was to come, and it would be a lot worse than this. If the time is right, I know you've been waiting, baby. So I'm gonna give it to you. This was another little river crossing that we jumped over. But then not long further after that, we came across this that was like another little crossing. And we're thinking, oh, that's okay. And then we realised we have to cross the big ginormous river that's on our right. And we were like trying to find like a bridge or something to see if there's any way of crossing. But it looked like the only way we could go across it was by getting our feet wet. And the water was absolutely freezing. And the rocks were all slippery and they were painful to stand on, and it was quite horrible to cross. Luckily, on the other side, I found like this smoother beam that I was able to walk across, so it didn't hurt my feet as much, but the water was absolutely freezing. Like, I can't believe how cold it was. But eventually we managed to get across and dry off and put our shoes and socks back on, but it was quite an adventure. Luckily, that was the end of the off-road adventure, and now we just went to try and find some ponies, because as you probably know from all my other videos, I absolutely love ponies and think they're just so adorable, especially wild ones, because they're just so cute. So we went to look at these ones, and then we drove down to Clearbrook to look at some more. I hope you've enjoyed this, and if you really enjoyed my video today, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. And if you really enjoyed it and you want to show everyone else how amazing it is, don't forget to share it with your friends, and then hopefully they'll share it with some more friends, and then loads of people will be watching my videos. So thank you again for coming along, and I hope you've enjoyed this.